Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A22 5G, and today I will show you how you can add widgets. So you have to click and hold your home screen, then pick widgets from this menu at the bottom, and next you can pick widget that you want to apply. For example, I will take maybe the weather, so click on it and then choose theme of the weather. I'm going to take this one, click to add, and we have to click OK. We have to add currently location. Okay, never mind. I don't even have to press on it. I mean, it was added automatically. So as you can see, there we got our widget on the screen. We can change size by moving these dots, just like that. And when you tap outside, the widget will be applied. When you tap on it, you will be moved to the weather application, and you can also move this widget by clicking, holding, and then dragging for the right or the left. As you can see, that's how it looks. So if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and of course subscribe to our channel.